Do it. Yep. Go now. Yes, sir.
Tung Tung Sahur.
Oh, wow! Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to match for boys with 4 girls. Which couple do you like the most?
No.
Comment down below.
No!
Great! Ooh.
Nope.
Love these couples. Wow.
Yeah.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi. La.
Excellent.
You look amazing.
Ew. Great. So delicious.
Oh no! What happened to you? Let's find you a bathroom.
Why are there 4 rooms here and none of them will open? Help me out.
Don't worry, I'll find the key to open the door for you. First, let's try finding the key inside this box.
Wow!
We need to find the key hidden in these 6 balloons. We'll use darts to pop the balloons.
No. No! Yes, that's it.
Good job.
I found one key. Let's try to open the door.
Oh no!
This isn't the bathroom. Let's keep searching for the key.
Whoa!
In this game, we need to find our way to the finish line.
Okay.
Awesome! The second key! Here you go. Try opening one of the 3 remaining doors. This is a bedroom. Okay, let me look for another key.
Wow!
We need to find the key hidden inside the treasure.
Okay.
Nope.
Whoa! Ta-da!
Wow! The third key! Here you go. It's the attic, not the bathroom. Let's try again. We'll search for the 4th key here. In this game, we have to overcome traps and win.
Okay.
Amazing! I found the 4th key. Here it is, quick. Open the door.
Excellent!
That's the bathroom. Let's go in.
Okay.
Are you feeling better now?
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Din 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 dun, ma din 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 din.
Vacca Saturno Saturnita, de frente tu sei tanto bonita.
Giraffa celeste, viaggio agreste.
Giraffa celeste.
Udin din 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 dun, ma din 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 dun.
Trippi troppi, troppa tritta.
Trippi troppi, troppa tritta.
Din 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 din.
Vacca Saturno Saturnita, de frente tu sei tanto bonita. Con il corpo di Saturno Saturnita.
Ballerina, ballerina.
Giraffa celeste, viaggio agreste.
Giraffa celeste. Via.
Borbaloni lulilolli, capibarello cocossini.
Dan madu dung 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 tak tuntung perkuntung garam maraman dan madu dung dung.
Wow! Now we need to build a path to win the game.
Okay.
No.
Excellent!
Giraffa celeste, viaggio agreste, dans la lune tutta dorata.
I'm Tralalero Tralala, shark and Nike. Bombardiro crocodile, always feisty. I'm tongue, I'ma beat you with heavy.
Time to unbox. What Brainrot character will we get today?
Matteo.
Wow!
Ready?
Bombardiro crocodilo. Bombardiro crocodilo.
There are 5 small Brainrot bags left. Which one should I pick? All right, I'll go with this one. Ew. We need to match 3 identical characters next to each other.
Sahur!
Dan madu dung 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 tak tuntung perkuntung. Garam mararam raraman mararaman dan madu.
Trullimero trullicina, il pretiletin in piscina.
There are 4 small Brainrot bags left.
Ready? Go! 3, 2, 1. Round 2.
Din 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 dun, ma din 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 din.
Round 3.
Good.
Round 4.
Great.
Din 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 din.
Only 3 small bags left. Which one do you want to pick?
Okay. Let's play a maze game and find the winning path. Okay.
Sigma boy, Sigma.
Wow! Woohoo!
Place the character in the most suitable empty spot to win. Okay. No. 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 No.
Las tralaleritas dicen tralali. Las tralaleritas dicen tralali.
Vacca Saturno Saturnita, de frente tu sei tanto bonita, con il
Frigo camelo, buffo fardello, nel centro della città, tra macchine e calore.
Garam mararam raraman tak tuntung perkuntung. Garam mararam raraman mararaman.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2. Round 3.
Baby Spunky, tell your Brainrot we pooped our pants. Baby Spunky, tell your Brainrot it's
Oh, wow!
Orangutini ananasini.
Whoa! Let's find the perfect pair of eyes for our cacto hippopotamo.
No. 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 Yes, that's it.
Il cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus gigante.
Il cacto ippopotamo.
There are 5 bags left. I'll take this one. We will go from start to finish, breaking through every obstacle to reach the goal. Okay.
Round 2.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi 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 mi. La 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 la.
Match the characters with the right items to create a Brainrot character. Okay. Use the wooden planks to build the path.
Excellent!
Tung Tung Sahur. Tung Tung Trallalero Tralala. Porco Dio e porco Allah. Trallalero Tralala. Porco Dio e porco Allah.
Which one should I pick? Azaman, let's go with this one. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2. Round 3. Round 4.
Sigma boy. Sigma.
There are 2 games left. I'll choose this one.
No.
Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel.